JRV Mitchell at Camping World in Buford, Georgia. Today is a beautiful day to buy an RV. This is a 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite 25FKS. Click on the link in the description for the clear price that has no hidden fees and no surprises. The length on this one is 25 feet 11 inches. Obviously has a nice slide. The dry weight is 5,281 pounds. It does come with an electric jack, some LP tanks, a battery, has a Wi-Fi range extender on it. Beautiful canopy that folds out. We got some outdoor speakers here. Pretty sure we have an outdoor kitchen. Yes, we got an outdoor kitchen with a mini fridge. It's like a gas cooktop and possibly a Blackstone type cooktop in there. Have the electric push button stabilizers. It is backup. It does come with a backup camera already installed. Oh wow, this is nice. That slide makes a big difference. I got the nice recliner over there, double recliners. That's not even out all the way. It's got another, I would say another good foot or so for it to be out. Large cooking area, 3-burner stove, microwave. We got an oven, possibly an air fryer. I'm not sure if it doubles as both. I believe so. Got a nice sink, plenty of storage. Some custom lights, I believe, that are in here. Got our TV entertainment center with the fireplace. We got a fridge that has some nice paneling on it. Heading back down the hallway here, we have a bathroom with a nice shower. That's plenty of storage in the bathroom. Back to the bedroom, which we're going to go with the probably a queen size bed here. Good size bed. Outlets. Nice, easily accessible outlets. Great looking unit, y'all. Great looking unit. Got a little charging tower here. Pops right up. Look at that. TV goes over here in the corner. Guys, come get it before she's gone. Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85, 2289 Rock Quarry Road here in Buford. Look us up online or come see us. When you get here, ask for JRV Mitchell.